Educate Bilingual Program by Richmond, Year 1A.
Hey guys, how are you doing today? Are you doing fine? Good, yes! Let's start our bilingual English class. Yes, and let's start by checking our homework. Our homework is on page 75. Yeah, page 75. Do you remember? I explained to you. That's what you're gonna do. You're gonna take Benny, Tammy, okay, to Benny, okay? So here's Tammy, and here's Benny. And Tammy says, "Where is Benny? Where are you? You're home? Are you home? Yeah, at home? I'm here at school. Yeah, I'm at school. Nice. Okay, and Tammy, where is Benny? Benny is next to the hot dog stand. Okay, he's next to the hot dog stand. So now you're gonna take Timmy to Benny. Okay, so here we go. Let's take. Yeah, hooray! You did a good job. Nice, excellent. Now let's answer the questions. Number one, is Benny behind the trees? Yes, he is, or no, he isn't. Is Benny behind the trees? Yes, he is, or no, he isn't. No, he isn't. Benny is not behind the trees. No. Number two, is Benny in the sandbox? Do you remember in the playground there is a box filled with sand? Is Benny in the sandbox? Yes, he is, or no, he isn't. No, he isn't. No, he isn't. Is Benny next to the hot dog stand? Yes, he is, or no, he isn't. Yes, he is. That's right. Benny is right there. That's where Benny is. Good, very good. Okay, look, today's class will be delicious, yummy. Yeah, yummy. Do you know Justin Bieber's song? The girl got so yummy, yeah, yummy, yeah. Okay, you girl got that yummy, yeah. You know that song, Justin Bieber's? Yeah. So today will be a cooking class. Yes, look, you see this family? They are cooking together. They are making food. And today I'll tell you how to make a homemade chips. Do you like chips? Potato chips? Yeah, they are salty, delicious, and a little bit greasy. Yes, so good. Potato chips. I love potato chips. But do you know that we cannot just make potato chips? We can make carrot chips. We can make beet chips. We can make carrot chip. Did you know that? Yeah, basically all the vegetables, most of the legumes we can use to make homemade chips. But look, I'm not talking about industrialized chips. Yeah, look, see, here's a supermarket and we have some chips, okay? But I'm not talking about those chips. You will make a healthier option, okay? So look, that's what you're gonna need. So ask your mom, ask your daddy, your grandpa, and your grandma to join together and send me a video of you and your family making the homemade chips. Okay? So I'll tell you how to make it and you send me a video through WhatsApp. Okay? You and your family doing the homemade chips. Okay, so basically that's what you will need. You will need 2 potatoes, 2 regular potatoes, 2 sweet potatoes. Okay, 2 beets. All right, 2 beets, salt, and olive oil. Okay, you'll need also some utensils. Okay, you also need some utensils. All right. The first one that you need is a large bowl with water. Teacher, what is a large bowl of water? That's a large bowl with water. Okay, you also need kitchen towels, a roll of paper towel or 2 cloth towels. Okay, so teacher, what are kitchen towels? Okay, that's it. Look, this is not a toilet paper. Okay, it looks like a toilet paper, but it's not. This is a kitchen towel. Okay, all right. You also need, okay, you will also need, okay, a mandolin or sharp knife. Teacher, what is a mandolin? Okay, that's a mandolin. Okay, so you're gonna slice the vegetables. Okay, that's what you're gonna need. You'll also need a parchment paper. Teacher, what's a parchment paper? That's a parchment paper. In Portuguese, I search it. We call papel vegetal. Okay, papel vegetal. That's the name. Okay. We'll also need a basting brush. Okay. You will also need a basting brush. Teacher, what is a basting brush? Okay, that's a basting brush. All right. And you'll also need a fork or spatula. Spatula is the same in Portuguese. In Portuguese, you say spatula. Okay, spatula is the same, spatula. Okay, it's the same word, so spatula. Spatula. Or fork. Okay, all right. And you also need a serving dish. Teacher, what is a serving dish? That's a serving dish. Okay, so that's basically what you're gonna need. And teacher, how do we make the chips? First, you gotta wash and dry. Okay, wash and dry the vegetables. Okay, some people put ice, some people put in the fridge. Okay, all right, that's what some people do. All right, the next thing is you slice the vegetables and wash them again. Okay, so you wash, okay, the vegetables, you slice them and you wash them again. Okay, that's what you're gonna do. Then what we're gonna do, teacher, you brush the parchment paper with olive oil. Okay, so you brush the parchment paper with olive oil. Okay, that's what you're gonna do. And then you spread the sliced vegetables over the paper and sprinkle salt. That's what you're going to do. So you spread the sliced vegetables over the paper and sprinkle salt. Then what you're going to do after that, you can use the microwave to bake the sliced vegetables. Okay, 3 minutes, maximum power. Okay, 100% power. That's what we're gonna do. 3 minutes, and wait. Okay, wait. The content may be hot. The chips might be hot. So wait the chips to cool. Okay, and you can enjoy your chips. So, did you like the recipe? It's delicious. It's really good. It's healthy. Okay, it's much better than industrialized chips in bags. Okay, so look, please send me a video through WhatsApp. Okay, showing you and your family doing that recipe. Okay, all right, and that's your homework. You make your own chips. That's your homework. No book homework, okay? You're gonna make your own chips. All right? Okay? Now it's time to say Goodbye. Goodbye. See you soon. Goodbye, my friend, until we meet again. Bye bye.